In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to personalize emails in Constant Contact. Personalizing your emails can make a big difference in how your audience engages with your content, creating a more personal connection and potentially increasing your open and click-through rates. Let's dive right in and explore the steps to make your emails feel more personal and engaging. First, open your web browser and go to constantcontact.com. If you haven't already, make sure to log into your account. Constant Contact is a powerful tool for email marketing, and starting from the homepage is your first step to accessing its full range of features. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Channels section. This is where you'll find all the different communication options available to you within Constant Contact. Clicking on Channels will give you a list of options, and for our purposes, we'll want to focus on emails. This section is dedicated to managing and creating email campaigns, which is exactly what we're working on today. Next, click on Emails. Here is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of all your past email campaigns, but today we're going to create a new one. So go ahead and click on Create an Email. This will open up a new window where you can start crafting your personalized message. After clicking Create an Email, you'll need to choose a template. Constant Contact offers a variety of templates that you can use as a starting point. Selecting a template that matches the tone and style of your brand can save you time and help maintain consistency in your email marketing. Now that you've selected your template, click on the text block where you'd like to add a personalized touch. The text block is where you'll insert your message, and this is where we'll add our personal greetings. Once you've clicked on the text block, look for the Insert option at the top right of your screen. Clicking Insert will open a menu of options that allow you to add different elements to your email. From the menu, select Greeting Tag. This feature is what allows you to personalize each email with the recipient's name or other personal information. It's a simple yet effective way to make your emails feel more friendly and direct. After selecting the greeting tag, you'll be prompted to insert a personal greeting. This could be something like "Hello from Dolly first name" or "Dear first name," whatever fits the tone of your email best. This step is crucial as it automatically grabs the recipient's first name from your contacts list, adding that personal touch. Next, you'll need to enter a default greeting. This is important because if you don't have the recipient's first name on file, the default greeting will be used instead. Make sure it's something friendly and generic, like "Hello there." Finally, once you've set up your greeting, click Insert. This will add the personalized greeting into your email template. And there you have it, a personalized email ready to engage your audience. By following these steps, you've successfully personalized your email using Constant Contact. Personalization not only helps in building a connection with your audience, but also enhances the overall effectiveness of your email marketing campaigns. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy emailing.